Okay, we're back. I'm Mike with PEAK Handyman Services. Today we're going to take a look at a dryer exhaust tubing that is potentially a fire hazard for almost everyone. The more length that the exhaust tube has and the more curves, the little kinks in the dryer hose in that exhaust tubing, they create a location that lint is trapped, and so prevents the even flow of the air blowing out and getting the exhaust out of your house and out of your dryer. The reason why we're trying to prevent the lint collecting is that it is a fire hazard, and most all of us have this issue. Too much tubing and the lint collecting. You don't want that fire hazard to be a part of your laundry room. You need to clean the lint trap, clean the exhaust tube that goes from the dryer to the outside, and it'd be a good idea to do that at a minimum once a year. I know that it's easy to forget, but you don't want to have a fire, so I suggest you do it. All right, so that's the video for today. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back to see you soon. Thank you.